Welcome to this short demonstration on Magply Euroclass A1 non-combustible board. The following test is designed to demonstrate the fire integrity properties of 9mm thick Magply over a period of time whilst exposed to a controlled flame burning at approximately 1200 degrees centigrade. Now the test is underway, we can take a look at where Magply is used. Magply is a Euroclass A1 non-combustible board which can be specified in different sectors. These include schools, hospitals, commercial and domestic properties. Within these buildings there will be a requirement for passive fire protection in applications such as timber frame walls, modular build, spandrel panels, re-roofing, rain screen cladding, high performance dry lining, wood burner surround. Time for a closer look at the test to see how the board performs after 30 minutes exposure. Magply is performing well and the board maintains its strength and provides a high level of fire resistance. Magply is manufactured from a technically advanced magnesium oxide compound. The excellent fire resistance properties come from the strong bond between magnesium and oxygen atoms, which form magnesium oxide molecules. Chemical symbol MgO. Additional strength is provided with reinforcement glass fibre layers to create a strong dual-faced board. Finally, Magply is naturally air cured to ensure a low carbon footprint in the manufacturing process. Magply has excellent fire resistance properties when tested to EN standards, which makes it a pretty impressive multi-purpose board when comparing against other boards available. Magply is Euroclass A1 non-combustible, high strength, breathable, manufactured to a low carbon footprint, tested to ensure low chloride content, resistant to mould, unaffected by moisture. Magply is available in the following thicknesses: 6mm, 9mm, 12mm and 18mm. Boards are 1.2 metres by 2.4 metres, although other sizes are available on request. Fire resistance specifications vary depending upon the application, but most testing is on 9mm thick boards, which normally exceeds the required standards stipulated under building regulations. For dry lining and rain screen cladding, there will be a tendency to use 12mm thickness Magply. So, is Magply too good to be true? This all appears quite impressive, but has the board been tested by accredited bodies? Magply has been certified to EN and BS standards for fire resistance, racking, thermal resistance, moisture content, and by the Danish Institute Bunch to ensure nominal chloride levels in the manufacturing process. UK test houses include Exova Warrington, who provide independent fire testing, fire engineering and fire certification services. They're a globally respected mark of quality assurance, with over 40 years' experience in helping customers achieve regulation compliant standards. Here is a quick summary of the testing and certification for Magply. Time to revisit the ice cube experiment as we approach the 60-minute mark. With 60 minutes gone, the Magply board still maintains its integrity, so a good time to consider specific building applications for Magply. Timber frame buildings. Magply boards can be used for fire protection and racking in timber frame buildings. 9mm Magply has been tested for racking strength according to BS 594 and for fire integrity to BS EN 476. Using rock wool as the insulation, Magply provided 91 minutes integrity. Rain screen cladding. Magply provides A1 performance in rain screen cladding applications and has been tested in accordance to EN 13501 Class A1 non-combustible, in line with the Building Control Alliance Technical Note 18, Use of Combustible Cladding Materials. Loaded walls. Magply can also be used internally and has been tested in loaded walls and steel partitions to BS EN 13651 2012 and to BS EN 13641 2015. In a steel section partition, Magply provides 69 minutes insulation and 90 minutes integrity. Spandrel panels. Magply has been tested for use in spandrel panels, utilising one 9mm thick board on each side of a 47mm uninsulated spandrel frame to achieve 104 minutes fire integrity. Dry lining. 12mm thick Magply is ideally placed for dry lining specifications that require quick installation, less weight, breathability, acoustic performance and fire protection. Roofing projects. Magply A1 recovery and protection boards have been developed to meet the roofing industry needs for a cost-effective, lightweight and fireproof board that will provide an inert and stable separating layer for various overlay applications. We can now take a final look to see if the Magply board is holding up after 90 minutes. "90 minutes have passed and the 9mm Magply board continues to provide resistance. As you can see from the label placed on the back, although it's charred, it is still intact. We must emphasise that this is not a formal EN test, but it goes some way to help demonstrate the excellent fire-resistant properties of Magply. After 90 minutes, the Magply board has prevented the ice cube from melting. For more information and test reports, please visit the Magply website or call 01621 776 252 for samples and information.